How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. So
It's not like garbage.
David got that garbage sense today. Alright, so today we're going to be continuing the part 2 of getting his car running. So now he has
I have the crank positioning sensor, or also known as an angle sensor.
You heard that, right?
Yeah, it knows the wind. So supposedly Miguel has like a wrap problem in the garage, but I don't think so. Anyway.
Alright, anyways, we're gonna be changing out this from the black Sentra, but first we gotta get this Sentra out, then push the other one in. But since this one doesn't have front brakes, I don't want to turn it on, and the power steering pump is still whining, so we're gonna push this one out, then push the other one in.
It's a lot.
And it's only me and him because Sammy didn't wake up. Thanks a lot, Sammy. So the way that the angle sensor is located on the Nissan Sentra, and this is a 2.5, it's located in the back of the engine and everything. So I'm just take another step and just take off the air intake just so I can have just a little bit more wiggle room in there, since it is like very tight in there. And we'll show you right now just with a bit of better lighting. Well, it's actually gonna be really hard to show you guys, but it's located literally all the way in the bottom over there. I don't know if you can see my finger wiggling. Can you see my finger wiggling? Yeah. But yeah, so it's located all the way in the back.
With Miguel's hand inside the back where the positioning sensor is.
All right, if you have somebody, a friend or anybody that has a small hand, well, a thin hand that can.
Hence why I have Miguel, because look at the difference between my hands and his hands. Like,
if you have somebody that can finagle his hands in through there, you honestly don't even need to see the bolt or anything. You can just feel the bolt. You're gonna need a 10mm with a ratchet, and you'll basically pass it through with your other hand. You'll get it on. It's not even tight. You'll just take it off the nut, and once you take off the nut, you basically take it out. Where's the clip? All right, and it's out. So once you have the clip disconnected and everything,
we have the new right here.
So
we have the old, right? So
hopefully
out with the old, in with the new.
Okay, so now you just gotta grab the clip, which right here. I like to connect it first, so I'm gonna connect it first.
Now that Miguel actually put it back in.
Yeah, so I was able to put the sensor back in. Basically, you make the same process backwards. But like I said, get yourself that friend with the small hands. Even if he doesn't know about cars, tell him he just has to unscrew a damn screw, and he'll.
Yeah, show him where it's at, and
you'll go from there. But hopefully, just with that, the car cranks. Dave's gonna take the leap of faith and start and see if his car can start. Alright, the video is going to continue just because of the fact that we had to go to the junkyard. And so basically, we got on the forums, they told us to replace both sensors. So I don't know why David.
It was right in front of us too. Give me a piece.
So right now we're going to the junkyard because David's car, the wires on the crankshaft sensor they're all broken, so I guess it just got too fragile, and we're gonna go to the junkyard right now and get new one. Basically cut a nice length from junkyard car and connect and splice them onto these wires, and then put the new sensor on. So now we're gonna be we replace both of the sensors. So hopefully that fixes the issue of the car not cranking. But we are gonna have to change the valve cover and the valve cover gasket because the coils and the spark plugs were filled with oil. So we're gonna have to change out the valve cover with valve cover gasket. So that's gonna be something else that we're gonna have to be changing. But right now we're heading to the junkyard. Okay, so bad news. the junkyard was closed. I guess they closed early today. They used to close at 6. I don't get why it's closed already. So then now we're gonna have to wait until another day. David's pretty sad about the fact, so I bought him a little McFlurry so to cheer him up, you know.
Yes, sir.
So now we have to wait until the junkyard reopens so that way we can get another connector and everything. So I'm gonna end the video here. So thank you so much for watching. If you guys do like the video, go hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, make sure to get notified whenever we upload another video. We're gonna try to upload every what, David? Now that the summer's coming up.
Now that summer's coming up, every Monday and Thursday.
Every Monday and Thursday we're gonna be uploading a new video, so stay tuned for that.